Hello everyone, this is Mark Leibovit of the Leibovit VR newsletters, and this is a Leibovit VR tutorial for Monday morning, November 17th, recorded over the weekend here at the Leibovit VR newsletters. As you know, we have the Leibovit VR Silver newsletter, the VR Platinum, which provides individual recommendations, our Gold letter, of course, our forecaster, our annual forecast model. We're going to be launching the new Vice letter soon. That should be fun. And of course, we have our book, the Trader's Book of Volume, which all of you should read. Here on Metastock, we're looking at gold stocks and the gold and silver sector. This morning, American Barrick generated a positive VR on Friday, rising stochastic, first one in quite a while, so I think you're going to see more upside action there. We generated a Leibovit positive ER as we did in silver. I'll show that you in a moment. In the GLD, which is the Spider Gold Trust, earlier in the week, this was on the 11th, generating a positive ER, so you'd have been long here because of that and because of a rising stochastic, and also because there was a gap here on the chart and another gap up here, so you'd be looking for at least the fulfillment of this gap, which was at 114.94. We didn't quite get there on Friday. We're getting to 114.72, but with the momentum here, I think there's still a chance you can go to that level and much higher. The risk here from a trading perspective is that you have a previous high point, which is 113.15 here. So if we have a sell-off early on Monday, then that would be a buy point. If we continue higher, that would be your risk when a pullback does occur. So just something to keep in mind, and this is sort of the kind of things that I look for. Central Fund of Canada, which combines both gold and silver, moving higher here. There was no positive VR this week, but we saw it in the GLD and in the SLV. Let's put up the SLV here for you. Nice positive VR coming in also on the 11th. Very strong rising stochastic. You had a gap here and a gap here, so we're moving toward these gaps. This higher gap, let's see where the higher one is. This is at the 116.33 level, and we touched 1572, so a little bit more room to the upside here, even if you're a bear. And if we can clear the 50-day moving average, which is the blue line, both here and all the other plays I just showed you, that would be a more striking bullish event here in terms of near-term potential. So again, we don't know if this is just a dead cat bounce in these, but it is a bit of a rally, nice volume to the upside. So let's see where it takes us, and we will be trading these to the long side. So certainly appreciate you checking in, and we'll get back to you on our next update. Oh, as a final note, we will be attending the Traders Expo in Las Vegas. That would be this coming Wednesday through Thursday, Friday. If you are in Vegas or thinking of attending the show, I would certainly encourage you to stop by. I will be holding a workshop at one point during the convention. I believe it's later in the week, and I would be probably visiting the Metastock booth as well. So thanks for checking in.